eya na yem nwanwa se obi wo ho a odwere ne ho no na Ghana fo asoa na sem se eniema di kwa atina ye ton
enu na ment yes and na me do I don't take madness. I don't take far.
Abusia finally Maame Serwaa abra responding to omo criticizing and say ne body no ne boobs ni kware eya normal ba ne down ne nyaase no omo kire say she has gone under knife so akoye BBL akoye surgery we be reply to all these critics na assembly wakeke bi pa da kire wo mu nyina aha Penyah block media message wa say obe like video na ma be subscribe button na be click notification icon for latest updates na be kire wa adwen e wo comment section any day mu ya share mu so ensa enkebi e just Maame Serwaa obi a oba movie me nyina nim no na wo ye trendy lady why say wo ye trendy girl wo ye cute one na ya Jackson mo na na nyina twa movie mbo tipenti pen na o ye trendy wo ye cute girl etina say mama fo nyina e pena say na otimi play the role so perfectly and as time goes on as the body began to grow and grow and grow and grow but movie industry no go ye no later anyone say Maame Serwaa a show the body on social media as say o show the body na busia enya sem kutu turumutanka pa turumutanka enya easy and I say hey Maame Serwaa nyini da bay because onyini ye emfie monyini biasa na body ria efiri hene eja manfo statistics omo criticize no because we benya no for asna sabia ene bi se ne to no BBL wakoye operation wakoye hwanhwan wakoye deden shin say on the app ne de da bia se ye horo Maame Serwaa woso anopa wi anwumro da suo mu nyina ne ahomache ye horo na ani nyinya kira omeka sai ejo omeka sai ne de na say obi a opinion bi accepted because the person in question kwa no what this say on kasa e don kasa de ne amafo bi so akasa ama it finally Maame Serwaa say afide obekire nsemu Daily View GH en koye interview en ye na horo Maame Serwaa eya tum say no onye surgery bia ne body no eye natural na even so why surgery kwa enye obi asem eye ono ne body ene ne sika
then about is when you move you na ahwe the airport and the Maame na say why fe apaba yeah wa ho fe then it's it
I just mind my business me dream
on check you bia
yes kadia
na hina o ko share
na me school all this one after the Maria see no many brands any other production houses for now they are back into the series
now movie ni send the number one say yes we jai movie here onye movie bi mu no how is it going
on say all my life no senior high school junior high school now me combine school with acting but see no me call university on say a first experience like my first experience ever so I wanted to concentrate more on the education side after the Marie met me was okay Marie I'm done with this level let me continue with another level let me get back into the scenes so see no me masaba back
to what start to move no so we be sure come so be a minister or president is a and who to one man as all the anywhere so
for now the to one but saying I make why not yes
possible movie now so be say John Melody
but politics never more change acting because also bedroom my bear obia sabi people are looking up to in a higher level. So a I will wait for the movie side or like then focus on the politics. But for now, dear, I don't have any intentions of going into that for now. So
over social media, one of the controversy stories are also I know Maame Serwaa yeah Jackson what I see shower more West small home interview to another version of that interview. I know Maame Serwaa yeah Jackson on top and Maame Serwaa omunye mu bi first yes mu mienu na munyi ye ba se mu bi du mu mpani fie so no ye hu bi klesa no sa controversy Uni ya Jackson
just you who match.
Okay.
When
was the last time I'm
the last time I'm doing who say I think I me ba Kumasi by Miracle Films.
What's that okay?
Maame me ba Miracle Films a set so Kumasi and minimum nyane na na e was set so
Regan.
Yeah. The catch up is over who ya chen on that set so na yen link and all that. And I think that was the last time. But before the last time, the shower me, Maame yes. The phone and share and share. See, and yes, you was. I'm just saying who you are watching, and everybody is working, doing whatever they are doing. She's taking care of her family, working also. I'm also working and taking care of myself. So yes.
Okay, now do Maame the abemuno. Then the will be against yes, Maame na work. Then the will be against.
I just don't know. So initially, I think the Maame film people were like, I think not even people. This one particular person came on the day story nearby. Emma, if you be arguing, because so that can send the brain, nasty stuff and all that. So I don't know. Meaning say, we are celeb now. We are public figure. Any person who nipa a film and any person who na asem. Because when your man is a people will turn it into a whole different type of scenario. So I don't know. Meaning say we are not say nani paniji say we are maybe private jet or say maybe you nanka what they are oh mission come say na eno na abem. But Sebi, I'm working hard and providing for myself. Is this one particular person that this story about us? And if you be I say oh it be a ben because I don't know maybe as a public figure and Sebi any point say what section and any point say Sebi asem it's a whole different level. So a person I was like why had the intent and person be say without even knowing verifying the whole issue. It's I don't know, so many pane can say they are private jets be oh mission come maybe and na them. But I'm science. I'm working for myself. I'm very much working hard for myself. And yes, obi and na me be kunu ana me maame ana obi na me kona me do so for what reason? We start to see you
more lifestyle.
So it shouldn't be like this.
Yes. Until all starts in young ages now, most nothing on mobile, most or movies or more banner. I'm going to fast real movie.
Okay, through me, mommy. Maybe you'll be a couple of funny crazy. Through me, mommy, and did the grass near Juno. As I
now, Kaiser, oh, he died.
No, 6 years. And I'm right, Juno. See, me never call certain so can say, me quaco jam and be say, me cause me quaco.
And now, mammy, so your actress.
Baby, not or your welfare like an audience. See, like Nipa, not guess or more than a year, Jumana, and no more than Michelle. See, just something natural, it just happened just like that.
Okay, since then, what kind of first movie are you here?
Yeah, friend,
if you Satana, One, Jackson, One.
Oh, they're not a Monet, a Jaco, Emilia Bobe, and other stuff.
I'm for so chill, you do also, yes, so the Fro Prana now, you know, Monet, and the other, and you say attitude to be able to show.
Just say, can I make pen once? Once I Ghana Hanos, I won't pen once, and obedience, and I won't pin Pantina on penny once. Say, if you are too much into the public, it's an issue. When the public it's an issue. I'm just being me. I'm just doing me. And yet say I'm doing something to portray something to someone. Say, oh, ebi asumasi, and I'm saying kind of once and she's pretending to be this kind of person. No. Obi oben bi and say, this is how I am.
Yes.
Say, family who I don't want to be included. I just say a family home, and whatever that comes with my name should be about money or work.
Oh, and then no stands
And then the stances here.
So, personality. And one cousin Pedriana would know hono. Amount for person who near my elbows and me chance when you will be interview or now can say you have not gone into any knife visa. The body idea who here amount for suggest amount for news amount for drain say papa for BBL and as surgery or responsible for this.
Okay, so me son no me benyi no na me hunam esusu and particularly me ba Accra and Kasabes start say Accra like me better now have start here. Everybody me posting picture and why I say so it motivated me to go to the gym and work on myself. And your gym one be many say I have so many methods of doing things on my own. Me across I'm not seeing myself as say this is my goal, like this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking to like be more than this. Not say mekwako jam body no. Obia or follow me here and say I'm very frequent in the gym. Like I just a chance beyond that.
Gym suit me you shape sir.
Oh yes, say on say me training yani. The gym instructor bet me I started 2020 and then of 2020 and I started gym and I kind of have so many methods also and your gym pay but said to go under the knife and all that. It's nothing to be ashamed of to say so oh my don't even know said they make an musika my body so far as me I say oh my so far as I met oh my but I will come out successful and healthy and also alive. What I do doesn't concern anybody. But me not chinchina most my say Ghana we have this perception in our mind say oh look at a nice shape, look at a nice body. Oh me who so dear why you baby. But Ghana Kasano we are naturally blessed with like heavy body. So why should it always have to be when say no? I'm not ashamed to be like to say oh yeah I did it. And so what?
Okay.
But I didn't do it. I can't come and lie or say things just to make people happy. I can't do that.
Okay. It's you who now for celebs living now
so far as any panel be confirming because they are doing it to me. So why should I say oh nipa to machine to abegina because 1 year oh then I'll follow the masses and say oh I'm Obawaye because they are doing it to me. Say I'm fine here me and ke bia megina baby aka say oh e bia nipa to machine asema okay bia oboa but they are me and I'm proving myself and people still are doubting it. So I've had my own fair share of it. And so be can I don't judge them.
To encourage you be so baby. I mean,
as I said, the only thing I wanted to do was my books because I felt like it was too much for me. I've not given birth. Yes, I've not given birth. I'm still.
Say natural.
Yes.
Because you need
yes, and I didn't know where I'm natural, but already the hips and the natural.
And you so more
and I make us and I make us say, okay, we'll be at as say natural. Why can't they believe say we're natural? I'm growing. I won't be the same person as 9 years or 10 years. I'm growing. Maybe as time goes on, I'm going to be 10.
Yes.
Like a steak. Because as you grow on, things will change. You can't force yourself to say chinchina body type when I'm 20. This is what I want. I wanted to be a smallish kind of girl, like a petite kind of girl. So that I asked me, do me age quite because who age will. And you are very smallish and young. That's how I wanted to be.
And you'll be asked whether surgery or not. So I surgery cry and you ask him. It was children when near my hold or yes or no start to call gym. What call gym 2025 making 5 years or start to call gym. Oh, Pia call gym 5 years. I don't change on screen anybody knows. Also, even in the movie industry, we could see that the body was responding to early growth. Whereas anybody in a unit temtem, a unit for sure. We better this body. I don't know our body, our breast, our toe. It is normal. Say this tunumutan kawina yuhuna yehuhono. It could be possible. Say on yes, she has never gone under any knife. Ghanaian ladies are blessed. What I say, Christina Winnie, on Vegas go under knife now. Uncle, I even have a lady at my area. Master, that woman, if you see her, you will go shash. You might think she has gone for BBL, but she hasn't gone for anything. She doesn't even know what BBL is. But she has, the nyash. She has it. Some people are naturally blessed with nyash. It's a normal. So this is what Maame Serwaa has to say to those criticizing her about her body. Said she has gone under knife. Or she said on call knife. Yeah. Ubet material in our comment section. I have Penyah Blog Media.